Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Welcome po sa News Up to Date. Ang topic po natin ngayong gabing ito ay tungkol po sa advisory na inilabas ng Securities and Exchange Commission laban po sa Hedgebeat Trading Incorporated. Yang Hedgebeat Trading ay tumaob na po. So basahin po natin yung nakapaloob po sa advisory ng SEC laban po sa Hedgebeat Trading. Based on the information gathered by the Commission, a number of individuals or group of persons claiming to represent Hedgebeat Trading Incorporated headed by Mylene Villanueva are enticing the public to invest their money in said entity. As posted on her Facebook account, a minimum investment of 500 pesos will have a guaranteed return ranging from 18% to 144% in 2 months. Makikita nyo po dun sa complan nila na talagang too good to be true ang pangakong kitaan. At ang profit ay talaga napakalaki kasi makikita nyo yung sa loob lang daw ng 2 months ay 144% na daw ang profit. At 18% daw sa loob lamang ng 7 days or 1 week at sa loob daw ng isang buwan ay 72% na profit. So talagang puro pang-hype lang at talagang imposible po ang pangakong kitaan at guaranteed pa. Tandaan nyo po sa trading po wala pong guaranteed kaya imposible yung ganyang kalalaking kitaan na guaranteed pa. Tapos ang kanilang pangakong direct referral bonus or DRB ay 20%. So dyan pa lang po mga kababayan makikita nyo too good to be true ang offer at siguradong tataob po yan. At tumaob na po yung Hedgebeat Trading. Kaya nga mga kababayan, kapag ganyan po na too good to be true ang pangakong kitaan, meron pang DRB at sinasabi nilang guaranteed at sinasabi nila ang source of income daw nila ay trading, crypto trading or forex trading, wag po kayo maniniwala dahil puro pambobola at panghahype po yan. Mari sa umpisa, bigyan kayo ng payout para nga padamahid kayo. Pero kapag naabot na po nila yung quota nila, bigla na lang po yang maglalaho. The investment offering by Hedgebeat Trading Incorporated constitutes solicitation of investments from the public as the investors are enticed to invest money from 500 pesos up to 50,000 pesos and in turn, such investment will earn a guaranteed profit ranging from 18% to 144% in just 7 days, 1 month, and 2 months, respectively, in violations of Sections 8, 26 and 28 of the Securities Regulation Code or SRC and Section 11 in relation to Section 3F of the Republic Act number 11765, otherwise known as Financial Product and Services Consumer Protection Act. In this regard, the public is made aware that an investment contract, which is a kind of securities, exists when there is an investment or placement of money in a common enterprise with a reasonable expectation of profits to be derived primarily in the efforts of others which is prominent in the scheme of Hedgebeat Trading. As such, the SRC requires that securities must first be registered with this commission before it can be offered and or sold to the public, and the concerned entity and or its agents should have the appropriate registration and or license to offer and or sell such securities to the public. Based on the Commission's database, Hedgebeat Trading Incorporated is not registered as a corporation or partnership and operates without the necessary license and or authority to solicit, accept, or take investments or placements from the public, nor to issue investment contracts and other forms of securities defined under Section 3 of the Securities Regulation Code. Ayan po mga kababayan, hindi po nakaregister sa SEC yung Hedgebeat Trading at wala din po silang secondary license. Kaya illegal po ang kanilang operasyon at illegal din po ang ginagawa nilang paghingi at pagsulisit ng investment sa publiko. Kaya po mga kababayan, dapat po bago kayo sumali sa kahit na anong investment, dapat po i-check nyo po lahat ng legalities nila. Dapat po meron silang secondary license. Huwag po kayong papayag na sasabihin lang nila na ongoing daw or processing O meron pa dyan sinasabi na kaya ayaw daw nilang kumuha ng secondary license para nga daw mas malaki yung maibigay nila doon sa mga investors na payout. Hindi po totoo yun. Kaya ayaw nila magparehistro kasi hindi po maaaprubahan kasi nga Ponzi scheme yung mga investment schemes na yan. Kaya mga kababayan, umiwas po kayo dyan sa mga too good to be true na mga offers. Similarly, Hedgebit Trading Inc. is not registered as virtual asset service provider with the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas and does not have a corresponding certificate of authority as a money service business as required under Circular Number 1108 Series of 2021 or the guidelines for virtual asset service providers. Further, the scheme employed by Hedgebit Trading has the characteristics of a Ponzi scheme where money from new investors are used in paying fake profits to prior investors and is designed mainly to favor its top recruiters and prior risk takers and is detrimental to subsequent participants if new investors become scarce. The offering and selling of securities in the form of investment contracts using the Ponzi scheme, which is fraudulent and unsustainable, is not a registrable security. The Commission will not issue a license to sell securities to the public to persons or entities that are engaged in this business or scheme. In view thereof, the public is advised not to invest or stop investing in any investment scheme being offered by Hedgebit Trading Incorporated as well as to any other entities having the same or similar schemes and to exercise caution in dealing with any individuals or group of persons soliciting investments or recruiting investors for and on behalf of Hedgebit Trading Incorporated. Accordingly, the Commission warns all unscrupulous individuals and or entities that strict penalties are imposed for violations of the Securities Regulation Code, the Revised Corporation Code of the Philippines, and such other laws, rules, and regulations enforced by the Commission. At babala para doon sa mga umaaktong salesmen, brokers, dealers, or agents of Hedgebit Trading Incorporated in convincing people to invest in the offered scheme and those involved in solicitations and recruitment through the internet may be prosecuted and held criminally liable under Section 28 of the SRC and Section 11 of the FCPA, both penalized separately with a maximum fine of 5 million pesos or penalty of 21 years of imprisonment or both pursuant to Section 73 of the SRC. The names of all those involved will be reported to the Bureau of Internal Revenue or BIR so that the appropriate penalties and or taxes will be correspondingly assessed. The Commission urges anyone who has knowledge or information about any business transaction of Hedgebit Trading Incorporated and or its agents to report such activity to the Enforcement and Investor Protection Department at epd@sec.gov.ph. Ito pong advisory ay inilabas noong November 9, 2023. Mga kababayan, dapat po maging maingat tayo dahil marami po ang mga scams ngayon. Lalo na po, papalapit na po ang Kapaskuhan. At marami rin po ang mga tataob na mga scam companies. Kaya dapat magdoble ingat. Huwag po kayo basta-basta mag-i-invest. Kailangan po siguraduhin ninyo na kompleto sila sa legalities. At dapat may secondary license. At dapat po i-verify po ninyo sa Securities and Exchange Commission. Kasi marami po na mga scam companies dyan ang namemeke ng dokumento. Mga kababayan, maraming salamat po sa inyong patuloy na pagsuporta sa aking channel. God bless po.